If you're looking for a clicky keyboard, I think I just got one of the best ones. The keyboard is called Z75 by Mchose. It's a 75% semi-metal keyboard. It looks and feels high quality. It also has an aluminum alloy top cover, which makes the board even more premium. Gasket mounted ang internal structures, kaya sobrang sarap mag-type, soft and consistent. In the box, you get a nice quality Type-C cable, the user guide manual, keycap and switch puller, spare switches, and this multimedia knob na pwedeng swap sa delete key. The quality of keycaps are great. I got the Firefly night switch, which are very smooth and clicky. Madaming switch na available, pili ka lang kung ano ang preferred mo. It's also a 5-pin hot swap, meaning pwede mong palitan yung switches. Madami din colorways na pagpipilian. You can use it wirelessly via Bluetooth or the dongle. Pwede mo din siyang gamitin wired, of course. 1 millisecond response time, kaya pwede sa games. It has 8K mAh battery and it will definitely last for days. It is one of the best clicky sounding keyboard I have ever tried. If you don't believe me, listen to this.